So let's address some frequently asked questions and some common mistakes international students make, including me. I made that same mistake, so I don't want you to make that mistake. The first one is, what if I want to change my course or institution? The answer is, always check with the immigration authorities first, as unauthorized changes can lead to visa issues and you don't want to have that. Second, can I travel home during my studies? Yes, you can travel home during your studies, but ensure that you do not travel during the term time. Travel during holiday time, because as a full-time student, you are required to be on studies and to log in your hours throughout the duration of your studies. So before you travel, let it be during holidays, and also ensure that your visa and re-entry documents are in place before you leave the country. For example, your passport is valid and also you have a valid visa that will allow you re-entry into the country. The third one is, what if my visa application is rejected? Okay, it's unfortunate to hear that your visa application is rejected, but that is not our wish for you. Our wish for you is to always get your visa approved. But on the case of this unforeseen circumstance where your visa is rejected, this is what you need to do. You don't need to panic. Seek advice from the institutional international office. For example, I worked at international recruitment. So when students' visa are rejected, we pass them to our compliance team, who is then reviewing the application and potentially appeal or either put in a new application. So it's either you meet your university's international compliance team, you get in touch with them, or you meet an immigration lawyer who is going to help you draft the appeal or check what you did not do well, or any documents that you need to revisit or review it, and before you then apply again. That leads us to the end of our today's video. Thank you for watching. I believe this video has helped to make your visa and immigration process a bit clearer. Let me know how it has helped you. Please comment, share, like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay notified when next I post new valuable content at this one. Do not forget that I'm rooting for you, and do not stop rooting for yourself. See you at the top, because that's where I belong. The greater you.